Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will delve into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.34. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.88%. This results in an average return of 0.96% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 17.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 34.66% to positive 35.37%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 234.28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 72.22% and 291.61% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $18.46 and $41.98. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline: High volatility in D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $10.72. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price fell by 3.34% on the last day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, dropping from $11.09 to $10.72. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.54%, with a day low at $10.62 and a day high of $11.84. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 45.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 86 million shares, with a total of 74 million shares bought and sold for approximately $794,097,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $11.95, while the lowest price was 75.1 cents. Currently, the price is 10.29%, or $1.23, below the 52-week high, and 18.97%, or $2.51, below the all-time high on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price reached $13.23. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, trading under the ticker QBTS, has recently garnered attention following important developments that could affect its stock price in both the short and long term. After an impressive earnings report, D-Wave's stock increased by more than 40% last week, showcasing strong market interest and confidence in the company's growth potential within the quantum computing sector. Analysts are taking note. A report from Needham has raised the price target from $8.50 to $13, indicating a promising commercial uptake ahead. In a crucial interview, CEO Dr. Alan Baratz emphasized the company's recent advancements, including a demonstration of quantum supremacy, which positions D-Wave as a leader in the evolving quantum computing landscape. This technology is likened to the early adoption phases of artificial intelligence, suggesting that QBTS may be entering a rapidly growing market. However, not all news is favorable. Investigations into possible securities law violations could introduce volatility and lead to investor caution. Firms such as Braunstein, Gewurz, and Grossman are actively encouraging shareholders to stay informed about these investigations, which may negatively impact investor sentiment in the short term. In summary, while D-Wave's advancements indicate significant long-term growth potential, immediate concerns regarding investigations may result in fluctuations in stock performance. Investors will need to balance their enthusiasm for D-Wave's technological progress with the scrutiny surrounding its operations. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade along with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $8.79 and $7.51. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, resulting in a decline of 4.11% thus far. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 40 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noticed 61 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal detected 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal also noted 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal identified 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal recognized 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 134 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $10.42. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is subject to significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band highlights this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.23 between its highest and lowest points, representing an 11.54% change. In the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 16.43%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is facing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at negative 0.05. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $10.80. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could represent an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $10.42. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of May 2025, Alan E. Baratz conducted an insider buy of 580,117 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 22nd of April 2025, Diane Gwen conducted an insider sell of 9,969 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the same day, John M. Markovich conducted an insider sell of 19,674 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. Also on April 22nd, Alan E. Baratz conducted an insider sell of 36,890 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 6th of March 2025, Diane Gwen conducted an insider buy of 101,721 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of negative 30.505. In total, insiders purchased 48,524,271 shares and sold 95,047,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.18, which represents a decrease of 5.04%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to significant risk. The relative strength index, calculated over the past 14 days, stands at 76, which further heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 39 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum will open higher by approximately 33.8 cents and start trading at $11.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.